S.O.I.L AI, so the prototype Microfy AI and I was working on during the MUSE project, is an automated microscope for assessing the biodiversity of soil microorganisms. It combines AI or computer vision and robotics to identify indicators for soil health. This outcome resulted from an exciting and super intensive collaboration process in which my artistic practice, which is heavily focusing on automated decision making and computer perception, intersected with the extensive experience of Microfy AI in developing automated microscopes. So by combining custom-made hard and software, the prototype provides actionable insights into soil ecosystems and thus empowers farmers and soil experts to evaluate the effectiveness of their soil strategies and regenerative practices. So therefore, the project is more than just a tool. It encourages critical thinking about the ethics of technology and nature. It challenges anthropocentric assumptions and advocates for a more symbiotic relationship with our soils.
We are an engineering company and we have been working in developing automated devices for microscopy over the last 5 years. And for us, it was very interesting and very different and challenging to work together with an artist to develop a new prototype of a device. So I would say that for us was disrupting, very innovative, and it helped us to think very different to the way that we did before. It helped us to better understand user needs and how to develop devices for the future, to think about future challenges. At first, it was quite complex to understand how DFA method works because it is a lot of information that you have to understand from the very beginning, and it is very new for us. But then when we started to work with the artists, we saw that really it's very helpful. For me, it's let's say design thinking, but improved and with an innovative approach. So it really was very helpful for us to understand how soil AI could be useful for users in the future and which kind of challenge it would help to solve. So when we started the project with the DFA method, we had one idea, but then during the next months, it started to change, to evolve. And also it has been useful to start defining the concept and then initiate the work, the technical work from that point. We have created S.O.I.L AI because we are well aware about the problem that we have in EU, because most of soils for food production are degraded. It's more than 60% of our soils are extremely degraded, and in the next year it could be even worse if we don't really think about how to change the way that we produce food. So it's going to be mandatory in all EU members to start using regenerative strategies for agricultural soil. And we think that our tool, because it is simple and because it is cost effective, it could really help soil consultants and technological centers and even large farmers to start using that strategies for regenerative farming. So we really think that they need technologies like S.O.I.L AI to extend their strategies and to better monitor if their strategies are good or are not good.